Everything is clean. The floor is dry. Sonia is doing the last step, that is sealing the talent grout. We are tired but happy because it was a long day, but we did post remodeling cleaning inside the garage with the scrubbing, tile and grout. So we offer a full combo set. We came here at 10, but there was still the builder, the person who was remodeling. Beautiful house. And I didn't want to clean when they didn't finish their job. But the new owner who remodeled the house said, I really need this house done by today. So I wait for the contractor to empty the garage, and we were still cleaning the bathrooms. In the meantime, they were doing another room. We dust all the blinds. In the price, it wasn't included outside the patio close to the pool, nor the windows. We didn't clean the windows screen because the owner didn't have enough budget for that. So we do all the dusting, kitchen, bathrooms, of course, dusting the blinds, ceiling fans, vents, and talent grout. We're almost done. Davis is putting away all the stuff. It's already late. I don't know what time is it. ¿Qué hora es, huh? ¿Qué hora es? It's 11:50, what? 59, it's almost 12. Tomorrow we have another big job. We're tired, but happy, happy. I'm really happy. Thank you for watching us. Fiorella, Sonia, and Davis from anyhousecleaning.com.